Looking for a cozy, colorful baby blanket that's just as fun to knit as it is to gift? Today I'm sharing the Knit Striped Cables Baby Blanket Pattern and Kit, a beautiful intermediate knit that's full of texture, color, and timeless charm. This striped cables baby blanket is a wonderful project if you love classic cable stitches paired with playful color combinations. It's designed using Maxim Baby's Best yarn, a soft, cuddly DK, light sport weight yarn that's perfect for baby projects. Whether you're knitting for your own little one, a baby shower gift, or to match a nursery theme, this pattern gives you endless color possibilities. This blanket is knit with Maxim Baby's Best yarn, which features light DK, sport weight. Approximately 160 yards per 1.75 ounces skein. Soft, gentle, and baby-friendly. The DK Sport Weight yarn collection includes a wide range of modern, trendy colors, making it easy to customize this blanket to match any nursery decor or favorite color palette. This is an intermediate knitting pattern, perfect if you're comfortable with basic cable techniques and want a rewarding project. Stitch skills used include knit and purl, increases and decreases, yarn over, slip stitches, knit stitches together, pass slip stitch over. If you enjoy textured knitting and repeating patterns, this project is both relaxing and engaging. Finished blanket size. Approximately 32.5 by 42 inches, about 33 inches by 42 inches, 83 by 107 centimeters. Needle size required. US size 6, 4 millimeters. It's the perfect size for a crib, stroller, or cozy cuddle blanket. You can choose how you want to knit this project. Download the pattern only, or order the complete kit, which includes Maxim Baby's Best yarn. The knit pattern. Both options are available through the link below. Be sure to check the link in the description to download the pattern or order the full kit, and don't forget to explore all the available yarn colors so you can create the perfect striped cables blanket for your baby or gift. If you enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite color combination. Happy knitting!